Good afternoon, OPOS. We'll do a South Indian Thali. I'll start with 1/4 cup of water and the sharp side to stay on top. Okay. This will be the Sambar zone. So 1 cup of radish. This is 1/2 cup of cooked dal. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and if you want you can add other vegetables or just tomato would do, and a few full chilies for the flavor, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That completes the sambar zone. Now we'll move to the Kootu zone. 1 cup of mixed vegetables, 1/2 cup of coconut cumin chili paste, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's it. You can mix in cooked dal with this if you like. I'm not going to do that. There's going to be a dal-free Kootu. And this will be the Poriyal zone. So 1 cup of broad beef, 1/4 cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And over this I'm going to add the Rasam zone, where I'll take 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon of Rasam powder, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'll place this over the Poriyal zone itself. We'll take it later and mash it all together. Let's take the Cookbot. Switch it on. Just set it to the veg mode. That's all that is needed. Start the timer and let's see how long it takes. Now the pressure has built up. In 6 minutes the countdown timer will stop after 2 minutes. It's switched off. It's taken us 8 minutes from start. Let me just release the pressure. Send it to the right. There you go. I'll take out the rasam first. The skin has come right off. You can remove the skin if you want. See? Just mash the flesh. Look at that. Take out each zone. Take out the Kootu zone. This will be the Poriyal. You will see that the color is retained. And we'll mix the sambar and this itself. Okay. Mix in a bit of tadka, a bit of water to dilute it. bit of cilantro. Sambar, Rasam, Poriyal and Kootu. This is good enough to feed around 2 to 3 adults.